Hi there, welcome to the today's video of Canada Jobs Update. On this channel, every day I upload one new job opportunity video to help you find your dream job. In today's video, I will share top 5 warehouse associate jobs available in Brampton. I will discuss different parameters of job like the pay rate, location and duties of the workers on the job. I will also explain you how to apply to this job. Please stay tuned with me for next few minutes. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon. In that way, every morning when I upload one new job opportunity video, you will get notified. Now without wasting time, let's begin today's video. Here's my number 5 job recommendation. Number 5 on the list is Maple Lodge Farms. The pay rate of this position is $18.72 per hour. It is 3% above local average jobs. The exact location of the job is Steeles and Winston Churchill intersection. If I talk about the position, the main duties of the worker will be the shipping and receiving of products in the warehouse. For this particular job, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. The position is suitable for full-time or part-time workers. So as you can see, it is also for the part-time workers. So the students are welcome to apply to this position. On the particular job sites, the rating of this job is 3.1. And to apply to this job, please visit canadajobsupdate.com. Here comes number 4. The position is available in Vision Transport. The pay rate of this position is $18.72 per hour. It is 5% below average similar jobs. The location of the job is Bramley and 407 Highway. The position will be the shipping and receiving of products in the warehouse. For this particular position, no experience is required. This position is suitable for full-time or part-time workers, so the students can also apply to this position. On all the particular job sites, it is rated at 3.8. To apply to this job position, please visit the link in the description of this video, www.canadajobsupdate.com. Let's have a look at number 3 on the list. The position is available in Amtera Tire Warehouse. The pay rate of this job is $14.50 per hour. It is 14% below local average jobs. Location is Steeles and Torbram, and the particular job of the workers will be the loading and unloading of the heavy products. So you may expect the heavy lifting in this job. No particular experience is required to apply to this job, and the job is suitable for the full-time workers. On all the job rating sites, it is rated as 2.8. To apply to this position, please visit the link in the description box below, canadajobsupdate.com. Here comes the number 2 on the list. The vacancy is available in Coca-Cola, Canada. The pay rate is pretty good. It's $18.45 per hour. It is 10% above local average jobs. The location is Steeles and Torbram. The position and the duties of the workers will be general warehouse maintenance. You will be arranging the products in the warehouse and maintaining the warehouse clean and tidy. No particular experience is required to apply to this job position, and the position is suitable for full-time and part-time workers. So it is the really great opportunity for the students. The job site rating of this particular job position is 3.7. And to apply to this job, please visit the link in the description box below, www.canadajobsupdate.com. This is the topmost and number 1 job recommendation. The vacancy is available in Canadian Tire. The pay rate of this job is $16 per hour. It's 3% above the similar jobs. The location of the job is McLaughlin and Bovaird intersection in Brampton. Position and the duties of worker will be receiving and shipping the products in the warehouse. No particular experience is required to apply to this job position, and the position is suitable for all the full-time and part-time workers. Students can also apply to this position, and it is rated as 3.6 on the various job sites. To apply to this job, please visit www.canadajobsupdate.com. The link is in the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you want me to make video on jobs available in your city, please let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for daily jobs notification. You can also follow us on Instagram at Canada Jobs Update to stay updated. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye bye.